If you want your new HVAC employee to actually grow and not just fumble around making things slower, you gotta find that sweet spot between teaching and keeping the work moving. So here's the thing. When you're on site, don't try to explain every little detail while the job's in full swing. Instead, chat during the parts where things aren't super critical, like when you're waiting on equipment or between steps. Save all the heavy explanations for breaks or downtime so they can really absorb what you're saying without feeling rushed. Keep an eye on how the training affects the work speed and accuracy. If it's slowing things down too much, adjust your approach. Encourage them to ask questions, but remind them it's cool to take notes and review stuff later too. Make sure you praise the progress, even small wins, because it helps keep them motivated. Don't expect them to learn everything overnight. Growth takes time and patience. Most importantly, balance is key. Too much teaching during busy moments can kill efficiency. One of the biggest mistakes when training new HVAC employees is trying to cram all the info during peak work times, which kills productivity and stresses everyone out. Fix that by breaking lessons into bite-sized chunks during slower periods. Another common issue is not following up on their progress or giving feedback, which leaves new hires unsure if they're doing things right. Make it a habit to check in regularly and give clear pointers. Finally, some supervisors forget to encourage questions or create a safe space for learning, so newbies stay quiet and confused. Remind yourself to be approachable and patient so your trainee feels comfortable speaking up. BigHomeProjects.com hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making home projects less of a headache. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by connecting them with people who need their skills, so everyone wins.